The rule of law is a maxim of equality. Everyone's subject to the same law and the same consequences for breaking those laws. It dictates that, without exception, no one is above the law and no one is below it, to make sure that we are able to lend what we learn here in our courtrooms and courthouses across this state every day, working with local law enforcement, working on important cases, whether it be property crimes or violent crimes, and how we bring that knowledge to bear to help make things better for people around the world.
And as we sought a state attorney general to support this deployment, we finally came to the first state of the union to do the first deployment from an attorney general's office overseas. And may I say, the first deployment from the first state did a first-class job of unprecedentedly high quality.
For us, the existence of safe, secure, logical institutions that hash out our rights and responsibilities, the very freedoms that we have, is presumed to exist. That's not the U.S. Congress, by the way, that's the courts. Montenegro is a country that's just now awakening to the rule of law. Many years it's spent in a totalitarian regime in which courts were not respected by either the government or the people. And there is now a genuine thirst in that country to understand how democratic systems, and not just in America, but all over the world, how they operate. Speaking of important, there's never going to be world peace unless there is justice. We can all agree with that. And there's never going to be justice if there's not a system for producing justice.